Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no backups found error in the World app step by step so you can get your account back up and running in no time. Alright, so let's get started. First, you want to make sure you have stable internet connection. Sometimes the app can't detect backups if your connection is weak or unstable. Next, you want to check that you're logged in to the same account you used when you first created the backup. If you're using a different email or phone number, the app won't find your saved backup. If that doesn't work, here's what you can do. You want to go to your phone settings. Just go ahead and click apps. Then you want to look for World app. From here, you want to clear the app's cache and data. To do this, just go ahead and click clear data, or you can also click storage, and then from there, you have the option to clear both, clear all data and cache. All right. Now, if this doesn't really work for you, this doesn't still work for you, you can go to your Play Store and then check if the app has any update, because normally that would cause issues as well. So you want to make sure that your app is up to date. But if you can see that there's no updates in the App Store, just go ahead and try to uninstall the app and reinstall it again. Normally, that should fix the problem. Just follow these steps and you should be able to fix the no backups found error quickly and get back to using your World app smoothly. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.